So, you've probably seen HobbitPaws online. The products look cute, the prices look tempting, and the website looks pretty professional. But is HobbitPaws actually legit? I decided to dig deeper, and honestly, I found some serious warning signs. First, HobbitPaws is a very new website. Independent checks show that it has almost no established reputation online. That alone doesn't prove it's a scam. New stores can be completely legitimate. But there's more. Scam Detector currently gives HobbitPaws a very low score of 16.3 out of 100. That puts the website in its high-risk category. GridInsoft goes even further. It currently classifies HobbitPaws as a scam website. Its automated check also found security warnings and limited independent reputation data. Scam Advisor also gives the site a 0 trust score. It reports phishing and suspicious activity warnings connected to the domain. Now, HobbitPaws itself claims to offer a 30-day refund or replacement policy. It also has customer testimonials on the website. But here's the problem. Those claims are coming from the website itself. They are not strong proof of reliable customer service. So, would I personally buy from HobbitPaws right now? No, there are simply too many unanswered questions. My verdict is high risk. That doesn't prove HobbitPaws is a scam. But I would avoid spending money there until there's much stronger evidence that real customers are receiving their orders. If you've already ordered, keep your receipts and payment records. And if something goes wrong, contact your payment provider immediately.